everybody, Peter Carpitos. Listen, I want to give you a quick minute on the importance of sharp knives. Here's a knife. Get yourself a good set of knives. These are cutleries, Chicago cutlery knives. And make sure the set has a steel with it, because what you want to do is sharpen your knives so that they cut like through butter. You want a sharp knife. Sharp knives cut people too. So remember, be careful with your knives. Get a good set of knives. Look on Amazon. Look everywhere. Go to Macy's. Go to Penny's. Go anywhere. eBay even. But get a good set of knives. So Peter Carpizos reminding you, enjoy food, eat, and love each other. We love you here at Carpizos. Subscribe on He'll Eat and Teach. And we thank you very much for subscribing. Pete out.